I'm poaching some fish, because it's easy. You want to know what poaching is? Poaching is just simmering your fish or your chicken in a small amount of liquid. And I'm using water and some wine. So I have this on a high heat, and I'm going to put in my lemon slices. I'm going to add in my water, my wine, oh yeah, some parsley, some dill, and the shallots. So I'm bringing this to a simmer over medium heat. All of that's going to make the liquid a little more flavorful than just using water and wine. So I season this with a little salt, and I'm just going to put it in there. Skin side down. Okay, I'm going to cover this and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll check on it. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes. Oh, she actually listened to me this time. So while the fish is poaching, I'm gonna stir up this yogurt sauce, and it has a little bit of parsley, a little bit of dill. It's good. This sauce, you can put it on the side, you can put it underneath. Do what you want with it. It's gonna be good to eat. About a 1/3 cup of yogurt, a little fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, fresh shallots, lemon zest, a little bit of dill, some fresh parsley, and give that a stir. Some salt, a little bit of pepper. Look at that stirring technique. And there's your sauce. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh yeah, those are done. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. It's pretty easy. All right guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press that subscribe button, wherever that is. And if you want to know more about this recipe or other recipes, go to appetizinglife.com to see what's happening over there. Fun stuff. Bye. All of that's going to make the, I don't know what to call this. All of that's going to make the liquid